Hey everyone, check out the THKFISH Fish Cleaning Kit, a complete 12-in-1 solution for anglers and cooks. This kit features a sharp 6-inch stainless steel fillet knife with a double-sided wave cutting blade and a non-slip rubber handle for safe use. Included is a 28 by 14-inch non-slip fish fillet mat made from soft PVC that folds easily and cleans quickly. You'll also get a knife sharpener, stainless steel fishscaler remover, cut-resistant gloves, plus 5 sous vide cooking bags with a hand pump. Everything fits neatly into a portable storage bag, making it perfect for fishing trips, camping, or outdoor cooking. This versatile set works great for filleting fish, cutting meat, or slicing fruit, offering convenience and efficiency. Whether you're cleaning your catch or preparing a meal, this kit has you covered from start to finish. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.